Hello, another horror games. Go to bed. That's it. Go to bed. Super spooky. Di ko lang makakasurvive ako sa game na to. So, yeah. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. I bet it's really spooky. Situation 1. Subject A. Okay. Okay. What do I do? I guess I just need to hop in sa bed. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Oh, shoot. I think this is a bad idea. Oh no, did you lock the front door? Um, no, I did not. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, we're dead. We're cooked. Oh no. No! God damn it. Sorry, medyo kinabahan. So, I think we need to lock the front door first. Diba yung front door? Okay. And siguro yung bintana din. How do I lock it? What else do I need to lock? Um, meron ba ba? What about the door? Can I lock it? Alright. Hindi na makakapasok yung bro. Yes, I did. Ano po yon? Did you close the window? Of course. Apaka-creepy na. Did you arm the home security? Oh, I did not. Did you arm this? No? Yeah, damn it. Yep, we're dead. We're dead. Goodbye to me. I mean, kung mapapasok din naman tayo, bakit din na lang natin i-lock yung door ng kwarto natin? God damn it. Ang hirap naman matulog. Ito. Okay. Okay. Security. I think ito yun. Tama ba? That's it? Meron pa ba ako need it turn on? Ay! Chilio. Okay. What else? What else can I pick up? The food. Okay, I think that's all. Can I crouch? No. I think ayun na lahat. Yep. I think I'm safe now. Right? You lock the front door, yes. Wala na pong yelo. Did you close the window? Yes. Of course I did. Uh-oh. I think I did. Yeah. Am I safe? Did I finish the game? Well done. No one will get in. Alright. Situation the subject. I guess scenario siya. So what do I need here? I guess the knife again. I need to remove that. Lock, close that. Then lock that. Um, asan na yung security? What else? Okay, andito yung security. Alright. What else? Future home ko to, by the way. I'm just kidding. I think that's everything. Maybe pwede na ako matulog? Pwede ko ba i-close to? What else can I hide or can I turn on? I guess that's all. Let's just see. Is the house secured? I think. I think. I'm not so sure. Oh, situation 3, subject 6. I mean, subject C. What do you mean by 6? Sorry. How did I get in here? Okay, how did I get in here? What the hell? Kinidnap ba tayo? Uh-oh. Hello? I don't like the atmosphere. Oh my goodness, I need to leave. Yeah, I need. That's a great idea. Let's leave. Let's just leave, man, whatever. Fuck this freaking house. Oh no! Dude, are you alright? Man is dead. A key. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's leave this goddamn place. Ah, it's so quiet. I hate it. I freaking hate it. You're gonna jump scare me, right? You're gonna jump scare me? Whatever. Wait, asan na yung lock door? Here we go. Oh man, I feel like may lalabas sa akin. I need to find a way out. Yeah, man. Let's go. Shut. I should check run. What? Wait. Ako yung nag-lock nito. Oh no. It's something. Shh. Oh my god, dapat pala nag-leave ako ng kutsilyo para may arm. Oh my god, there's no way out. I need to go back to downstairs. Let's go. Let's leave. Who are you? Wow, what the hell? Oh, ayan. Well, well, it's fun, I guess. You can try play it yourself. It's called Go to Bed. Yeah, it's fun. I had fun. Jesus Christ, that fucking scared me.